What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to get math lessons on Duolingo. So Duolingo recently released two new features called math lessons and music lessons. So this is how you can access them. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. It's completely free, but it helps the channel quite a lot. So let's get started. First off, open up your Play Store or your App Store and search Duolingo. Then click on the Duolingo app and here check if you can update it. For this to work, you would need to have the latest Duolingo update. So here I can only open it because my app is already updated. So once you update the app, go over to your Duolingo app and open it up. From here, click on the language that you're currently learning. So I will click on the language icon in the upper left corner right here. And under the new courses here, there should be math. But because I already enabled it, it's located here on this moving bar. So all you need to do to enable math is just click on it. And now you can start with your math lessons using Duolingo. So that's how you can enable your math lessons on Duolingo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.